Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about ViacomCBS and a little bit about GNUS Brands International. And if you don't know, we have a really interesting rally here in GNUS, and I published a video on May 5th, and it was not to buy because there's no any good news, and you can see it here. We knew on 5th of May it was that toys from Mattel will be published in Walmart stores, and I researched whole stock and it was not interesting at all. After this they published very specific news that they launched a cartoon channel. And right after this, I pinned a comment that can change everything. I didn't expecting something like this, no way. And then they published 2.8 million registered direct offering, then 9 million direct offering, some letters where they write that they will be available for like whole America. And when I thinking about cartoon channels, I know only one. It is a Nickelodeon channel, and that's why we will research ViacomCBS Incorporated with ticker VIAC, because this company owns Nickelodeon channel. It is a part of S&P 500, market cap $14 billion, income $2.17 billion, sales $30 billion, book to shares 21. And the price now 22, price to book around 1, and maybe it is a really nice time to buy the stock because it is really cheap and you wouldn't find anything bad for this stock. I was trying to find exactly Nickelodeon revenue and expenses, but there is no public information about that. And we will start from assets and liabilities. Total current assets $10 billion, total current liabilities $8.5 billion, and it is looks really good. What I really don't like that goodwill $16.9 billion. It is very huge, and we can see that we have around $13 billion in equity. And here we can see revenue, advertising 1.3, affiliate 730, content licensing around 800 million. And if we're talking about cartoon or Nickelodeon, it is cable networks and cable networks revenue 2.8 billion. VIAC definitely will lose some revenue because they got lots of money from Super Bowl, and now everything stopped in United States, and we will definitely see some impact on the price, and I think $22 now it's really cheap. I wouldn't talk about $10. Cable networks, Showtime, Nickelodeon, MTV, Comedy Central, Paramount, Nick Jr., VH1, TV Land, CMT, and lots of other channels. And the main sources of income, it is advertising, $1.1 billion, affiliate, 1.4, and content licensing. Advertising revenue was substantially flat and included a 3 percentage point of unfavorable impact of a foreign exchange rate change. If we will compare it to GNUS, they will definitely got some advertising and maybe some affiliate payment, but I don't really think that their content licensing will be huge, because it was only like Llama Llama and Buffett cartoon, and I will show you example. If you are crazy, you can buy this limited edition Warren Buffett talking doll for $30. And I don't really think that it is interesting for a child, and I don't think that someone will buy it not for child. It is strange for me, I don't understand it. Nickelodeon now in the 40th years is one of the most globally recognized and widely distributed multimedia entertainment brands for kids and family. Nickelodeon has been the #1 rated ad-supported basic cable network for 24 consecutive years among kids 2 to 11. Nickelodeon features leading original and licensed series for kids across animation, live action and preschool genres. And during the evening and overnight hours, the linear cable channel are as Nick at night and features licensed family comedies. Nick Jr. entertains and educates preschoolers, engaging them with characters they love, building their imagination and gaining key cognitive and social emotional skills. Other Nickelodeon brand includes Teen Nick, Nickatoons and Nick Music. And it is Ryan's Mystery Playdate, SpongeBob SquarePants, Paw Patrol, and I really like Paw Patrol because they're funny. And we can see some articles from 2011, cable TV networks feel pressure of programming costs. Nickelodeon revenue continues to decline. August 2015. And I think that GNUS Brands International are really far away from real money, and I think they will be not profitable company for 2020 and 2021, like 99%. I really don't understand what actually happened here. I think here it was okay, but from $2 to $3 to $4 it was like short squeeze, because short float was around 10%, and from this point we will see some drop down. I can be wrong, and I really like to read your comments. Please write something interesting about GNUS Brands or ViacomCBS. It will be interesting to read. What do you think about GNUS Brands? Because I read lots of comments that they will make money like printing machine or something like this. But from my view, I think it's better to buy ViacomCBS, and it will be better, because this company actually a big company, and it is not some kind of startup. The main idea of GNUS Brands that they will start a channel with ad promotion in 2020. I think it is not really great idea. Maybe someone will buy the whole brand because they're quite cheap right now. I hope this video was helpful. Please push like button and subscribe button. See you later. Bye bye.